create a YouTube video using exactly this script. Fastest ways to make money online as a beginner in 2024? Settings. Now let's dive into selling products online. This method is straightforward but requires some dedication. You can start by creating your own products or sourcing them from suppliers. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon make it easy to reach a global audience. Remember, the key here is to find a niche market and cater specifically to its needs. With the right approach, selling products online can become a highly profitable venture. Moving on to affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's crucial to choose products that align with your audience's interests. Websites like ClickBank, ShareASale, and Amazon Associates are great places to start. Consistency and authenticity are vital to building trust and increasing your earnings through affiliate marketing. Next up is content creation. Whether it's blogging, YouTube videos, or podcasts, creating valuable content can attract a large audience. Once you have a following, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. The key to success in content creation is to provide consistent, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Remember, patience and persistence are essential as it takes time to build a loyal following. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to make money online quickly. Whether you choose to sell products, dive into affiliate marketing, or create engaging content, the opportunities are endless. The most important thing is to take action and stay committed. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve financial success online. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to making money online.